Hi, everyone. I'm going to talk to you about how to simplify this rational expression. So it looks very daunting, but the idea is this. The way I do what I tell students to do is basically simplify the numerator, right? Simplify the denominator, and then replace their expressions. There's the top and the bottom by their simplified expressions, and then do further simplification from there. So the way I do it is, let's look at the top. Step one is to simplify the top. Okay, the top expression. Okay, or the numerator, if you want to call it. Okay, so we do 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1. So the common denominator is, we know the common denominator is x times x plus 1, right? So that's the common denominator, right? You just take x, you multiply by x plus 1, and that gives you x, gives you the common denominator. Okay, so we know what the common denominator is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to write the expression again, but this time I'm going to write the expression again, but get some more space so you guys can see. So if I want to go from x, so I'm going to write it here. If I want to go from x and I want to get to x times x plus 1, what do I do? Well, I'm going to go multiply by x plus 1, right? So let's do that. So if I want, so I'm going to erase this part. So if I want to get x and get to x plus 1, I'll multiply this bottom by x plus 1, but I'm also going to multiply the top by x plus 1. Does that make sense? Let's look at x plus 1. If I want to get x plus 1 to x times x plus 1, so if I want to go from x plus 1 to x times x plus 1, what would I do? Well, I'm going to multiply this by x, and I'm going to multiply this by x. Does that make sense? Okay, and don't forget we have a negative sign. Okay, so if we simplify this quantity, you're going to get is x plus 1, x times x plus 1, minus x times x plus 1. And you're going to get, this is x plus 1 minus x times x plus 1, which is still going to be 1 of x plus 1. Okay. Now let's do the other. So why don't you do the so let's do the simplify. So let's see step 2. So let's do step 2 is to simplify the bottom expression. Okay. So by the same virtue, you get 1 over x. I'm going to do a little some steps because I think you guys get the same idea. It's going to be x plus 1 plus x times x plus 1. There's going to be 2x plus 1 over x times x plus 1. Does that make sense to everybody? Right. So now we simplify the top expression, we simplify the bottom expression. So let's look at how we're going to do it in the next page. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm trying to see if I can scroll down. So the expression is going to be, so if I expression is going to be, so I'm going to write, usually I want you to write in. So you're going to do this. So you're going to take the top expression. So you're going to take, you take 1, I'm going to write the original expression, 1x minus 1x plus 1, divided by 1x plus 1 over x plus 1. And this is going to give you what? What's that going to give you? It's going to give you, you just replace those expressions. So you replace this expression with this expression. Okay. So you're going to get, this is 1 over x times x plus 1. You're going to replace this expression with this expression. Okay, so you're going to get 2x plus 1 over x times x plus 1. Now look what happens. This guy cancel with this guy. So what we get is 1 over 2x plus 1. Ta-da! You see? And that's what it is. So what you do is we have dealing with these kind of complicated rational expressions is simplify the top, simplify the bottom, replace the top by the simplified version, replace the bottom with a simplified version. And then you'll be able to, then you just do some further simplification like what we did before. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can always message me.